Hey there, it's Joanna, and I just want to give a big thanks to putting your information in to get your free ebook. And I'm super excited to be on this journey with you. And I just want to give a little bit of background of myself and how long I've been in the online world. So I've been on the online world since probably about 2016. When I started fashion blogging, and then after that I got into the health and wellness niche, and I've always struggled to build and make an income online until now. And what I'm going to show you in the next emails I'm going to send you, and in the next video here, if you click the link below to get started, is how you can really build a business from the comfort of your home. I know you're probably here because you are maybe stuck in a current business that you're in, and you don't know how to grow, how to produce income. You've been doing it for some time maybe, or maybe you're new to it, or maybe you don't have a business, and this would be a great starting point for you. It's affiliate marketing. It's an incredible way to build an online income from the comfort of your home. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I don't want to get that second job. I want to stay home with my son and be able to raise him and be here with my family and have that time freedom. And I love that about this business. And this business that I'm going to show you is going to provide you with a coach and a mentor, a 6 to 7 figure coach of your own, to come alongside you and help you every step of the way. They've been through the trenches. They're here to cut the learning curve for you. And just know that this is a valuable business that you can build and have the support system along with you. So I'm really excited that you've taken this step, because that shows me that you really are looking to build a true income from home. And I know, and I've been in the network marketing biz for some time, and so I know that those one-on-ones and those parties and those a lot of the face-to-face, and to grow an income, and making the list of your friends and family to share your product with, maybe it can be frustrating. It can be a frustrating task, and maybe you had different expectations going into your online business, and maybe that's what you were really looking to do, is an online business. I know that's what it was for me. I didn't know the expectations that I had when I joined my network marketing business in 2017. I was really looking to build an income online, and I discovered how difficult that was. I didn't have the right tools and strategies. I didn't have the right mentors to show me how it can really truly be profitable, and how you can really build it virtually online. So this is a perfect training and business opportunity that you have, that I'm going to show you if you click the link below to get started. It's going to show you how to build a profitable business. Whether you're in a business already, say you have a business that you're doing that you love, it's going to help you build a business using the latest tools and strategies and tactics nowadays. Not the outdated ones, the face-to-face, the one-on-ones, the parties and all of that. That's time consuming. This will cut that work in half. And I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy it. So if you have a business already, this is going to be incredible training for you. This is going to be even an incredible business opportunity if you want to do this on the side even. But whether you have a business or not, this is going to be just an incredible opportunity for you. If you don't have a business and you want to utilize, these digital products that we have to build a profitable business, you can do that too. And I love this business opportunity because you can take it into virtually any other business that you go into. So whether that's in network marketing or any type of online marketing that you're trying to do, this can be taken into any type of business, which is what I love about it. And so just know that I'm cutting the learning curve for you. You can really cut the learning curve. It takes about 5 to 10 years to really build a profitable business, but this way that I'm going to they're going to teach you here in the next video, if you click the link below to get started, how to cut. This is going to teach you how to cut that 5 years into 5 months, guys. It's incredible. So go check it out. It's been a huge blessing to my life, and I know that it will be for yours, for your life, for your family. So go check it out, and I'm super excited to be on this journey with you, and I'll see you on the next video.